Presenting our Talos Defender 90 Delta Edition, finished in a beautiful Santorini black metallic paint with yellow accent details. Based on the D250 MHEV X-Dynamic HSE model, this vehicle seamlessly combines power, luxury, and the bespoke craftsmanship that Talos is renowned for. Beneath the bonnet lies a robust 3-litre engine with fewer than 6,600 miles on the clock, offered at an exceptional price. Each Talos detail on this Defender has been meticulously crafted, from the carbon fibre SVR bonnet and carbon bonnet inlays to the rear wing, spare wheel cover, functional carbon side vents, and our signature Talos RDP steps. Adorned with subtle Talos branding, this vehicle features upgraded and powder-coated brake calipers and proudly sits on gloss black 22-inch forged Talos Apache wheels wrapped in Nitto Ridge Grappler tyres. The interior boasts our elegant yet striking enhancements, including black Nappa leather and Alcantara upholstery, with a beautiful yellow accent stitching throughout, and custom carbon fibre flat-bottom steering wheel, making it extremely comfortable and stylish. Next MOT due on the 30th of January 2025. Last serviced on the 6th of June 2024 at 6,052 miles. Full dealership history.